How you doing? I'm Louis Gamino with Arborist LA. We're here at a project of ours in Southern California. It's a West High School in Torrance. And if you take a look here, what we've created the past few days, we've created a rain garden. So if you notice, it's not just a dry creek bed that's meandering through there, but those downspouts that are collecting water off the roof, those are going to deposit water into our rain garden. So previously, it had deposited all that water onto concrete, then it went out, collected all the pollutants that are in the streets, all the harmful chemicals, and then it would send all that water out to the Pacific Ocean. So the way it's set up now with the rain garden, or it's also known as a bioswale, we're gonna keep all that rainwater on site. So it's not gonna be polluting the ocean any longer. It'll now just simply allow the water naturally percolate back down to the soil and recharge our groundwater system here. And we did landscape as well, all California friendly plants. And if you notice the boys, what they're bringing in right now, it is an organic mulch. So there's many benefits of mulch. We're going to apply it here throughout. Well, some of the benefits are, it helps keep moisture in the soil, which is a good thing, right? Less water to use. It also helps reduce weeds over time. Won't allow those weed seeds to germinate. And then it's also always organically composting and breaking down in the soil throughout the soil profile. So it's creating living soil throughout the soil profile, which will in turn create things called microbiology, soil biology within the soil, increase fungi, mycorrhizae, all sorts of organisms in the soil that will benefit the plant. So this is a way to do it without using any harmful herbicides or pesticides, as well as we're not polluting the Pacific Ocean as well. So just a little project of ours here in Southern California. When you think sustainability, when you think permaculture, when you think soil biology, think Enviroscape LA.